Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be me straightening my hair for the first time ever. Straight my short tapered cut. I am loving it, and this was actually really fun to do. So I'm going to try this a few more times just to see how good I can get at it. You'll see in the end how some of my curls fell out. But all in all, I am loving it. It came out really good, and I just really wanted something different. I was tired of my hair being curly. So yeah, love it. Love it. Yeah, so this was inspired by my girl Yolanda. Her name is YB Natural on Instagram. She has a beautiful tapered cut, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta try that on my hair. So here you go. This one's for her. I will post her information below, and if you're not a part of the family, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you. All right guys, so let's get into this look. Bye. Hey everyone, so today I am going to attempt for the first time straightening my hair on my own. I think this is the first time I've ever done this since I've been natural for the past 5 years. This is gonna be interesting. So if this video is up, that means it was a success. And if it's not, you'll never know. All right, let's try it. I am going to use the Issa Miracle Leave-In. Just gonna spray a little bit of this in my hair. I am in the bathroom, as you can see. This is supposed to be good for detangling, adds shine, repairs dry, damaged hair, controls frizz, seals and protects hair color, prevents split ends, stops hair breakage, creates silkiness, enhances natural body, flat iron spray, and thermal protector. So yeah, we need some of this, honey. I'm gonna use a denim brush. I'm gonna use a denim brush to detangle. In your eyes, I see the stars shooting from the sky as if thrown from Mars. Only try to please, don't let me down, 'cause we'll start falling, falling, falling towards the ground. Cause we'll start falling, falling, falling. Cause we'll start falling, falling, falling. Cause we'll start falling.
no cueste más, nuestro ritmo debemos encontrar. Ya no pido nada más que un poco de imaginación. Quiero que vayamos lento sin prisa. Que nadie muere, nada cambia si va lento. Vamos lento. Que nada pasa si va lento. Vayamos lento sin prisa. Prisa. Sé que me viene prometiendo que esto es serio, mas yo no caigo en esos ojos traicioneros. Prisa, ya no hay más, ya no me vence la prisa. No. Y es que si quieres de esto no lo dan por hecho. Entre tu toma y dame ya no queda un tiempo de prisa. No queda un tiempo de prisa. Si pa' mí correr no va, que no cueste más, nuestro ritmo debemos encontrar. Ya no pido nada más que un poco de imaginación. Quiero que vayamos lento sin prisa.
Alright everyone, so hair is set. I'm about to go to bed and we are going to see how this takedown turns out in the morning. Yeah, I wanted it to be a little messy. YB Natural Yolanda, it's like a bedhead kind of look, and my hair isn't as thick as hers, so I am interested to see how it's gonna come out. So I am off to bed and we'll see how this looks in the morning. Y'all know I gotta put on some makeup, right? Because just in case the hair don't come out too good, I need my face to be snatched. All right, so see you guys in the morning. Bye.
Me gusta cuando tú vas, pero yo vengo. Mi corazón está que se va, pero no tengo prisa, ya no va. Vayamos lento, sin prisa. Y es que me estás acelerando el pensamiento. Frenemos la velocidad que yo no tengo. Prisa que mata. Vayamos lento, sin prisa. Si pa' mí correr no va, aunque no cueste más, nuestro ritmo debemos encontrar. Ya no pido nada más que un poco de imaginación. Quiero que vayamos lento sin prisa.
Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I kind of like how it came out. It's messy, it's curly, and this is the look that I was looking for. So if you guys like the video, go ahead and subscribe. Alright, so yeah, if you try this look, tag me on Instagram. I'll have all my information below, so tag me. I would love to see it. Of course, like I said, this look was inspired by my girl Yolanda. Her name is YB Natural on Instagram. My hair is not as thick as hers, but I love how it came out. This is so cute. So yeah, I gotta go brush my little P's on the side though, you know. But yeah, so alright guys, thanks for watching and you guys have a fabulous day. Love you. Bye.